Which country has the highest number of twin births? A. Nigeria, B. India, C. USA. Correct answer is in Nigeria. Which is the fastest running animal? A. Lion, B. Cheetah, C. Horse. Correct answer is B. Cheetah. Which is the most literate state in India? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Kerala. What is the national animal of the USA? A. Bison, B. Bald eagle, C. Lion. Correct answer is A. Bison. Which country is known as the land of soil? A. Nepal, B. Bangladesh, C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. Bangladesh. What is India's rank in the world by area? A. 5th, B. 7th, C. 9th. Correct answer is B. 7th. When did India win the World Cup for the first time? A. 1983, B. 1987, C. 1992. Correct answer is A. 1983. Who is considered the best friend of farmers? A. Tractor, B. Ox, C. Earthworm. Correct answer is C. Earthworm. Which country is known as the land of a million elephants? A. Thailand, B. Laos, C. Indonesia. Correct answer is B. Laos. Which city in India is famous worldwide for leather shoes, bags, and jackets? A. Kanpur, B. Agra, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is A. Kanpur. Which deity is worshipped during Chhath Puja? A. Lord Shiva, B. Lord Sun, C. Lord Vishnu. Correct answer is B. Lord Sun. Where is the main office of ISRO that launched Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Bengaluru. Correct answer is C. Bengaluru. What is the national sport of Sri Lanka? A. Cricket, B. Volleyball, C. Hockey. Correct answer is B. Volleyball. The population of Uttar Pradesh is often compared to which country? A. Pakistan, B. Brazil, C. Russia. Correct answer is A. Pakistan. Which is the only country in the world where there are no mosquitoes? A. Iceland, B. Japan, C. Canada. Correct answer is A. Iceland. Which country has the highest newspaper readership in the world? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is C. Japan. Which is the tallest gateway in India that symbolizes historical grandeur? A. Buland Darwaja, B. India Gate, C. Ram Darwaja. Correct answer is A. Buland Darwaja. Which country is the smallest in the world, as small as a big round? A. Malta, B. Vatican City, C. Monaco. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. What is the national tree of India? A. Peepal. B. Neem. C. Banyan. Correct answer is C. Banyan. Which city is known as the Golden City of India? A. Udaipur. B. Jaisalmer. C. Amritsar. Correct answer is B. Jaisalmer. Which country has the highest number of twin births? A. Nigeria. B. India. C. America. Correct answer is in Nigeria.